Today we're going to review this 13-in-1 Instant Pot Duo air fryer and pressure cooker. And we're going to also make some chicken burgers as well to test out the air fryer portion of the Instant Pot. This is the pressure cooking cover that you can easily take on and off, and then this is the heating element built in to air fry your food. It also comes with an air frying cooking rack, and last but not least, it comes with a stainless steel inner cooking pot, which looks huge to me. Honestly though, this Instant Pot turned out to be way bigger than I even expected. To be honest, the photos do not do justice for its size. Thankfully though, it's very easy to put the inner cooking pot in and out of the Instant Pot, which makes cooking with this Instant Pot very easy. And then of course it comes with a manual that easily explains a lot of the features of the Instant Pot Air Fryer Duo. I would read through this just before you start to use it, just so you can understand the basics of how to use the Instant Pot. And then it also has a bunch of different cooking options like pressure cooking, saute, steam, slow cook, sous vide, so you can make egg bites with it, yogurt, air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, and proofing. I have made a full roast turkey in this as well, which I really enjoyed. It tasted super juicy and it was very moist turkey. And then I also just really do like that I can proof my bread in this, especially during the winter season. It is great for that as well. So now we're just going to make our chicken burgers, and we're going to just close this lid, which is very easy. You just lock it in place like that, and then you're going to want to select air fry and then press the time button and then select 15 minutes, and then it will start to preheat. So I believe they finished cooking, so we're just going to check them out now and open this lid and see how they're doing. They're looking pretty good so far. We're just going to flip them over and look and see. Oh, whoops, my bad. Okay, they look pretty crispy, which I'm super excited about. Oh, yummy. They do look really good. I'm really excited to try these out, but overall they're super golden brown and they should be good to eat now. Instant Pot Air Fryer Duo combo is great if you want to save space and money by having your air fryer and Instant Pot all in one. And trust me, the air frying option on this is way better than what you may think. It's also great if you have a large size family or even a smaller size family as well, because it can cook a lot of food in it. It also has many options that it's really worth the purchase in my opinion for that reason, because instead of having to buy a separate air fryer and a separate Instant Pot and a separate bread proofing option as well, you can have it all in one, which is incredibly handy and again really saves you that extra cash. Family use it so much more than we expected, especially during this winter season. We have gotten so much use out of it. We also really enjoy using it for meal prep. We get a lot of use of it out of it for meal prepping, especially because we can make a whole bunch of sous vide egg bites in it as well. And also the slow cooker option is great if you want to just throw a meal in there and let it cook all day while you're at work. And it's just really great for those really busy work days. So I will have the link below if you want to check it out for yourself on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.